I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting progress. Back up your save immediately, then clear clutter so you know what needs storage. Next, prioritize funds and trade items because upgrades cost money or barter. Once done, visit the nearest vendor or safe house. This is where expansion options appear. Buy basic crates, hold onto stackable supplies, and note any mission rewards that increase capacity. You act now to enable later steps. That avoids wasted runs and preserves scarce resources. Now you implement the main expansion. Purchase any vendor stash upgrades because those permanently increase space. At the same time, pack stackable crates. These compress many items into single slots, so use them strategically. Move non-essential heavy gear into vehicle or team storage. Doing so frees immediate slots for mission-critical items. Make sure to repeat vendor checks after missions, since some rewards unlock new options. This middle phase converts saved funds and materials into usable, persistent. Finish by reorganizing everything. Group ammo, meds, and weapons so you can find items fast. This reduces perceived shortage. Then verify increased capacity inside the Safe House UI. If numbers look off, log out and reload to force an update. If the expansion still failed, restore your backup save and repeat the purchase sequence. Sometimes a reload fixes transaction glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: always preserve a backup before major changes, because reverting is faster than recreating lost resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.